Welcome to Vaishvi Hospital. Vaishvi Sports Medicine team is looking after a lot of sportsmen in Baroda and across Gujarat. Due to this COVID pandemic, it has become difficult for a sportsman to go on ground, to go in gym and maintain their fitness level. Due to this reason, we have formed a program which you can perform at home at your own time, which will maintain your fitness level. We have included flexibility, stability, strength and conditioning, as well as animal workouts which will help the whole body to work in coordination. I wish this program will be very helpful to all of sportsmen to maintain their fitness level on daily basis. Best wishes. Thank you.
Before starting the exercises, we should make our body prepared for it. Thus, we will start with pre-warm-up, followed with a warm-up and then main workout, and lastly we will conclude it with a cool down. L chair sit. Sit on a chair with an erect spine. Rest your arms on the handle of the chair. Push the handle of the chair and come into a hanging position. Keep your legs, hips and knees flexed. Hold this position for 10 seconds and gradually increase the duration of the hold. Isometric bird dog. Come into a quadruped position like a table. Keep your spine erect. Breathe out and tuck your tummy in. Slowly extend your left leg and your right arm together till they become parallel to the floor. Hold this position for 10 seconds and return back to the normal position. Repeat it with another arm and leg. T position. Stand straight and abduct your arms so that they become parallel to the floor. Now slowly shift the weight on one leg and flex your trunk till it becomes parallel to the floor. Simultaneously extend the free leg till it comes in a position parallel to the floor. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Perform it with both the legs. Warm up. First exercise, spot marching. Perform spot marching for 2 to 3 minutes. Lift your knees till your thighs gets parallel to the ground and coordinate your arms with your legs as if you are running. Neck flexion and extension. Start the exercise by touching the chin to the chest and then slowly move it away from the chest. Do not hurry and perform it gently. Neck lateral flexion. Flex your neck in such a way that you try to touch your ear to the shoulder. Do not shrug while performing this exercise. Perform it slowly and gently. Neck transverse rotation. Rotate your head in such a way where you try to see side to side. Note that do not rotate your trunk. Shoulder scissors. Flex your arm in such a way that they become parallel to the ground. After which, move your left arm towards your head and right arm towards your legs. Continue the exercise by moving the right arm towards the head and left arm moving towards your legs. Arm circles. Move your arms in such a way that they form an imaginary circle. Start by extending your arms backwards and bringing them front. Do it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Arm swings. Stand straight with your legs, shoulders wide. Keep your arms relaxed and swing them from left to right along with rotating your trunk. Standing alternate trunk side bending. Stand straight by keeping your legs shoulder width. Keep your arms straight and relaxed, close to the body. Start bending towards your left. Once you reach your maximum, return back to the normal position and repeat it on the opposite side. Trunk flexion and extension. Stand with legs shoulder width. Rest the arms on the waist. Breathe out and bend down slowly. Come back inhaling to the normal and then breathe out and perform hyperextension slowly. Come back to the normal position. Repeat this 6 to 8 times. Alternate toe touch. Spread your legs wide apart. Keep the spine erect. Abduct your arms. Flex your trunk so it comes parallel to the floor. Rotate your trunk in such a way that alternate arms and legs touch each other. Perform 6 to 8 reps. Standing leg circles. Balance yourself on a single leg and rotate your free leg in such a way, making a circle. Perform it with both the legs, one after another. Jumping lunges. Stand in a split position in which one leg will be forward and another will be at the back. Jump and bring the rear leg forward and the forward leg backward. Continue the process of changing for 15 to 20 reps. Jumping jacks. Stand straight. Keep your arms hanging beside the body. Jump and split your legs and simultaneously move your arms over the head. See to it that you don't flex your elbows and again come back to the normal state. Repeat this 15 to 20 times. Jumping twists. Stand straight. Abduct your arms so that they become parallel to the floor. Jump, twist yourself from one side to another. Repeat it for 15 to 20 times. Main workout. Front crunches. Start by lying down on your back. Flex your knees to release the stress from your lower back. Place your arms behind the ears. Raise your shoulder off the floor with your eyes looking at 45-degree angle. Once after reaching the top position of the crunch, slowly lower back yourself to the starting position. Repeat it 15 to 20 times. Diagonal crunches. Being with the body in the supine position. Keep your knees flexed. Keep your arms behind the ears. As you start to raise your shoulders, you move one shoulder towards the opposite side knee. Once after reaching the top of the crunch, slowly lower yourself to the starting position. Repeat it for both the sides for 15 to 20 times. Squats. Position the feet shoulder width apart. pointing it slightly outwards. Begin the exercise by flexing the hips and knees slowly. Continue flexing the hips and knees until the thighs are parallel to the floor. Later, extend the hips and knees. Repeat it 20 to 25 times. Duck walk. Get down in a squatting position. Start walking forward. Continue it for 30 seconds to 1 minute according to the condition of the body. Bear crawl. Get down on all fours and walk around just like a bear for 30 seconds to 1 minute according to the condition of the body. Regular push-ups. Get down into a push-up position. Hands should be shoulder width apart. Back straight, feet together. Lower until the chest touches the floor nearly and return to the starting position. Repeat it 10 to 15 times. Push-up burpee. Start in a standing position with feet close together. Now squat down and put the palms of your hands outside and slightly forward of your feet, supported by your hands. Thrust your feet backward so that you are in a push-up position. Perform a push-up with a vertical jump and return back to the starting position. Repeat 15 to 20 times. Cool down. Seated toe touch. Sit in a long sitting position. Keep your spine erect. Take your arms over the head and breathe in. Slowly breathe out and flex your trunk and touch the toes. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly breathe in and return back to the normal position. Seated leg split toe touch. Sit in a long sitting position. Split your legs apart. Raise your arms and breathe in. Flex your trunk and breathe out and touch the toes. Try touching the forehead to the floor without lifting the knees. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds and slowly breathe in return back to normal position. Static butterfly. Sit down in a long sitting position. Keep your spine erect. Flex the knees in such a way that they point outwards. Hold the ankle, breathe out and flex your trunk. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds and breathe in while coming back to the normal position. Cobra pose. Lie down on your stomach. Keep your legs close to each other and palms beside your shoulders. Breathe out and raise yourself by extending your elbows. Look towards the sky and hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in while returning back to the normal position. Child pose. Sit on your knees. Note that your glutes should touch your ankle. Breathe in and lift your arms above the shoulder. Now breathe out and flex your trunk and try to touch your forehead to the floor. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in while returning back to the normal position. Keep training regularly and keep yourself hydrated during and after workout. Eat well and take optimum sleep. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.